Hey everybody, this is John over at Byrider in Green Bay. Just wanted to take a little time and tell you about one of the vehicles on our lot. This is our new Volkswagen. Now, the last name on this is called the Touareg 2. Volkswagen's always got fam names. But the vehicles are amazing. This one's a 6-cylinder SUV with all-wheel drive. It's got a lot of really great features. I'll have you come in closer here, I'll show you this. The interior is absolutely gorgeous on here. Now, it's all leather. The center console is a really nice place to be. This is your diff lock right there. Nice looking vehicle. You got a nice up-to-date center console with the screen right there. Volkswagen are super dependable vehicles. They run really, really well. Also, plenty of room for the family in the back seat. Now, this vehicle is all-wheel drive, so it's going to start and help you get going in the ice and snow really, really well. And those are always nice to have here in Wisconsin. We have this and a lot of other really, really great options here at Byrider. Our address here is 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you're looking for a vehicle, I would love to see if I can help you out and get you driving something. So give me a call. Have a great day, guys. We'll talk to you soon.